Now, happy Heritage Day to all the South African citizens. I am rocking my traditional shirt as we celebrate our heritage, my vendor, heritage with the vendor trim there. So, yeah, I hope you are having a wonderful day wherever you are. As for me, I'm with my family, business as usual. At the same time, working while spending time with family. And I just thought I'd quickly come and give you this video of what is that we'll be getting from some of my favorite stocks that we discuss a lot on this channel. The stock that I want to talk to you about today is the stock that I've been talking to you about, and it's an international which ended the day trading at over 47 rands per share, ended the day up 1% yesterday. And ladies and gents, this stock, if you bought it yesterday before market close, then on the 30th of September you will be getting yourself a dividend of 1 rand and 61 cents per share. Now, one of the things that we have been seeing from Sun International, the very same things that I've been telling you, is that we've been seeing some massive growth in terms of the share price. I mean, as I'm saying, yesterday the shares of Sun International finished the day trading at 47 rands, up 1%. And in the last 5 days, Sun International is up 4%. In the last 1 month, or in the last month, Sun International is up 15.5%. Year to date, Sun International is up 18.95%. This shows you that this is a company that has been doing quite well this year, giving good gains to those that own Sun International shares. Personally, onto Sun International, as I'm doing this video, I'm up 33%, which the 1 rand and 61 cents dividends that are coming are the cherry on top, because I'm already gaining, or I'm already seeing some good gains onto this stock. I mean, this is something that is just so amazing, pretty amazing. Sun International has been that stock in my ZAR portfolio that has been paying me some good dividends, and I've been reinvesting those dividends ever since. So I'm very happy. I just thought I'd give you this quick update. Tell me what you think about this. Are you owning the Sun International stock, or is it one of the stocks that is on your watch list? Because if you are owning this stock, or if you own a couple of shares, guess what? In the next coming 6 days, Sun International will be paying out dividends of 1 rand and 61 cents, which I look forward to, together with those that are already owning the Sun International stock. So I'm happy, I'm excited. Tell me what you think about this. Otherwise, another stock that will be paying some good dividends, it's Shoprite. Shoprite also, if you bought Shoprite yesterday, you are going to be getting paid dividends of 4 rands and 45 cents, I think, on the 30th, which to me, because I own both stocks, it will be just raining dividends on the 30th of this month. I'll just be getting paid while I sit down, do nothing, which is something that is just so incredible, and it's one of the nice things that we get to experience as investors. Thank God to platforms that help us invest, buy shares, and be able to get the dividends, which is something that I think it's really commendable. Kudos to these platforms that are giving us the opportunity to invest and buy shares. So I'm happy. Tell me what you think. How has been investing in the stock market been to you, especially the beginners? I mean, the old crocs, I mean, they know, I'm sure they've gotten used to these kind of things. And to the newbies, they are the ones that, of course, they are still getting used to these things, and therefore getting dividends might be something that is quite surprising, and something that brings a lot of excitement and encourage them to invest more, or to put more money, because with more money comes more dividends, right? And this applies to the dividend paying stocks. So I'm happy. I look forward to the upcoming dividend payments that will be coming on the 30th. And on this channel, Shoprite, Sun International, they'll be paying dividends on the same day, and we look forward to that. Otherwise, that's all from me. Before I waste any more of your time, go back to your family, enjoy your time. Just thought I'd just give you this quick updates. Do your own duty before you buy, invest into the stock market, because let me tell you something. Though you see videos on YouTube, though you may read articles online, though you may see posts from social media, it does not beat doing your own due diligence, because at least it gives you the comfortability as you are investing into the stock market. Do that for you. It will help you not only to make precise decisions, but it will also make you to grow as an investor, which that is what you need to strive for. Otherwise, that's all from me. Do your own DD, and God bless you all.